Here's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. The Civic has a long history of excellence and of constantly moving forward. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Car and Driver finds its design is sleek and fastback-like, with a large, severely raked greenhouse that no longer includes frumpy front quarter windows. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.